Previously on Demystifying AI Strategy in Plain English, a detective story. With Ada Lovelace's guidance, you learned how to communicate with Mycroft. Together, you and Ada explored how to ask Mycroft to generate creative ideas and optimize store operations. But just as you start to understand its potential, Moriarty, the owner of a rival bookstore, emerges, revealing that his AI may be even more advanced. Now, you're about to dive into the benefits of advanced AI features.
The morning light filters through Bethesda Bookstore, but your thoughts are clouded by James Moriarty's recent challenge. Moriarty, the owner of Moriarty's Bookstore, the largest independent bookstore chain in the region, had made it clear. His AI system Sebastian isn't just advanced, it is designed to crush the competition. Sherlock strides into the bookstore, his expression sharp, followed by Ada, who already has her laptop ready. She says,
"We are still missing something crucial. Moriarty is 3 moves ahead in chess, and we're trying to figure out how to set up the board without losing the pawns under the couch."
You glance between Sherlock and Ada. "So, how do we catch up?" Sherlock grins, a hint of mischief in his eyes.
"We're going to study Moriarty's bookstore from the inside. This is going to be epic!"
Ada's eyebrows lift, but she nods in agreement.
It's the best way to scope out the competition. And come on, who doesn't love a good undercover mission? I've already packed up my spy gear, which, okay, is just a hoodie and some sunglasses, but hey, it works on the movies.
Later that afternoon, the 3 of you step through the doors of Moriarty's bookstore. The bookstore looks sleek and modern, with a subtle sense of technology running behind the scenes. Sherlock nods toward Ada, who pulls out a small tablet, discreetly tapping into the bookstore's open systems to analyze what they are running. You browse the shelves, trying to blend in, while Sherlock keeps a watchful eye on the staff interactions. Ada whispers,
Judging from their system, this place is using all the advanced AI features I expected. You know, the extravaganza package. Let's start with fine-tuning and see if it's the real deal, or if it's just AI in a tuxedo trying to sound posh.
A staff member types something into the computer, and moments later, a carefully crafted email appears on the screen, each word reflecting the store's upscale image. Every marketing message speaks directly to Moriarty's audience in a voice that is unmistakably branded, Ada murmurs.
That's fine-tuning at work. Basically, you take a small AI model, feed it a bunch of carefully curated text, and voila, it gets better at mimicking the curated text. In this case, a small copy of Moriarty's AI model, Sebastian, has been schooled on Moriarty's historic emails and brand communications. Now, every single message is so polished and on brand, even Moriarty's out-of-office auto-reply feels like it's been through a literary finishing school.
Why bother with fine-tuning when we can just use a large AI model like Mycroft? You ask. Ada smiles and explains.
The advantage of fine-tuning is that by using a smaller, specialized version of the AI for each repetitive, specific task, rather than relying on the large model for everything, we can achieve higher accuracy at a lower cost and faster response times. It's like calling a superhero sidekick instead of the entire superhero squad. You don't need all the powers at once. A smaller, fine-tuned AI can swoop in and save the day quickly without blowing the budget.
As you browse the store, you notice a large screen displaying live updates from industry publications and the literary news outlets, articles on publishing trends, upcoming author tours, and interviews with best-selling authors. Ada gestures towards the display.
That's Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. It's like giving your AI a search engine sidekick that digs through external databases or online docs. In this case, Moriarty's AI system has direct access to every news source on the planet, so his bookstore stays more up to date than your overly informed neighbor.
How will RAG help an AI model like Mycroft, you ask? Ada explains.
Without RAG, an AI model would be limited to the data it was trained on, which means it's stuck with old information and might even be making stuff up just to sound smart. But with RAG, It's like having an AI with a direct line to the news desk. No more fake news and outdated tips. It would become the go-to place for freshest literary hot takes.
As you continue to observe, your attention shifts to a sleek digital dashboard displaying live book inventory updates. The AI system effortlessly tracks stock levels, automatically alerting when popular titles run low, and submitting restock orders without any human intervention. Ada leans in.
That's agents at work. Agents are like AI project managers. They can access different tools and coordinate them to solve complex tasks step by step. With the ability to manage various tools and execute tasks, Moriarty's AI system isn't just suggesting what to do, it's automating everything. It's like having an invisible army of digital assistants. Whether it's running marketing campaigns, managing inventory, or analyzing customer data, the agent will complete the tasks in the most efficient way. Meanwhile, Moriarty's probably lounging at home in his pajamas, binge-watching Netflix, while his AI runs the show effortlessly.
Finally, Sherlock gestures toward the promotional screen, where discounts shift dynamically as customers make purchases. He murmurs,
That's Moriarty's secret weapon, reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. His AI, Sebastian, learns from every transaction, updating offers in real time to keep customers engaged.
Ada studies her tablet, intrigued.
Let's break it down. Reinforcement learning is like teaching a dog tricks. Every time it gets the trick right, you give it a treat. And the dog thinks, oh yeah, I'll do that again. If it messes up, no treat, and it has to figure out a new way. That's how the AI learns, by getting small rewards for doing the right thing. From human feedback means the AI gets its rewards based on how real people react. So, if customers love a discount, the AI goes, got it, we'll keep doing that. If they don't respond, the AI thinks, whoops, let's try something else. It's like having a marketing wizard that's constantly learning. The more feedback it gets, the sharper and more on point it becomes, until it almost feels like it can read people's minds.
As you watch Moriarty's system in action, you're absolutely floored. The sheer power of these advanced AI features is mind-blowing, automating and optimizing tasks that would normally take hours, if not days, of manual effort. Imagine all the time you could save, allowing you to focus on high-level strategy instead of getting bogged down in the daily grind. While stepping out of Moriarty's bookstore, Ada remarks,
Well, now we know what we are dealing with. Moriarty's system is impressive, no doubt, but it's total overkill, like bringing a bulldozer to pull weeds in your garden. We'll create something more agile and smart, less brute force, more brain power.
Sherlock folds his arms.
Here's where we need to make two big decisions. First, what practical applications should we prioritize first? Should we fine-tune Mycroft to match your brand's voice better? Should we use RAG to access real-time data to react faster to trends? Should we use agents to automate tasks? Or should we use reinforcement learning to improve offers based on what customers like? Second, do we build these AI tools ourselves, making them exactly how we want? Or should we buy pre-made solutions that we can use right away?
You nod, feeling both the excitement and the pressure of the choice ahead. We've seen what Moriarty is capable of. Now, it's up to us to choose the right path forward and move quickly.